Hello everyone, this is COSET, the public Oracle service where anyone can be a data provider. Today I will show you how to use COSET as a data provider and as a data requester. Before we hop onto it, if you want to learn everything about COSET ecosystem and COSET SDK, you can read the documentation. Now let's start by deploying an Oracle. Before that, we need to connect our wallet. Using Privy, we can connect on Mantle testnet. At the main page, you can see a couple of oracles here. An oracle is deployed by a smart contract called Oracle Factory. Data requesters send update requests if they need a new version of the data and pay USDC or COSET token using X402. So someone has to update the data if they want a fresh version of it. That's the economy model that most Oracle services implement. If we want to create our own oracle, we need a name, description, update request price, a private API service, and a recommended update duration. I have an example API service here. At this route, you can see I serve the Bitcoin price. There's a middleware connected to it. To make this authentication middleware work, we need to create an access token first. That way, we can secure our API endpoint and only the COSET Relier node interact with it. In this page, I create an access token and put this in my environment variables. Now everything is perfect. I can go to the next step. Next step is endpoint verification. We have to be sure that the endpoint works correctly before deploying the oracle. After I choose the correct access token, everything is good. Last step is the on-chain deployment. I can choose between COSET token and USDC here. My wallet needs to have 5 USDC amount of transfer authorization because there's an initial cost of deploying oracles. After signing this, I can deploy it. This takes around 15 to 30 seconds depending on the network status. And here it is. I just deployed an oracle. Now let's say I own a DeFi protocol and want to use COSET oracles for the price feed. For this, I need to fetch current price time to time. Let's write a small script using COSET SDK. I will follow developer documentation for that. First, we need to create a COSET instance using 4 values. First one is the network that Oracle is deployed. We choose the Mantle testnet for that. Second one is the payment token. This is only necessary if we are going to call an update. For data reads, this field is useless. Next parameter is the Oracle address. And the last parameter is the private key of your wallet. This is also unnecessary if you are not going to call an update. Now we need to read the data. It is only one line of code. And we can see the result. Now read it, and after 10 seconds, we're going to update the data. This method updates it and returns the new data. Data is also streamed as an event in the smart contract, so you can listen the data with a WebSocket and also be notified by updates. And you can see the updated data in Oracle page as well. This was COSET. You can be a data provider and start earning instantly per every request. It only takes a couple minutes. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to test COSET by yourself.